Yes. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome again to Hartman Adventures. Yeah, upon another adventure this evening again, Just finished working and decided to go head out to do a little bit of fishing, cause in this bag right here are a few things that I've been waiting for a little bit. Just picked them up yesterday evening, so I will show you what's inside. Yes, people, so as you can see, brand new items in our place. See them? That's one, that's two, that's three, and that's four. So for a couple of weeks now I wait for them to come, so now that I get them, have to go try them this evening. Stay tuned for another adventure, people. None in there. Hey, I got some big ones. A lot of them. Woo! Just as I thought, I should pack it in. Well, yeah, people, that's it for catching bait this evening. Made a few casts earlier, didn't get any, and then just as me decide to me go leave for one next spot, me decide to me go make one last cast, and me pretty much full the bucket. Some nice size 8-9 inch sprat. So right now me go head off, see if I can go do some fishing. I go link up with a couple of friends do some night fishing, but hopefully I get a good capture of the last cast that I made, and you guys can see some of what I saw. It was pretty exciting, so hopefully you guys got to see that. But until I'm at the next spot, I'm gonna head off right now, so see you at the next spot. Yes guys, just reach my other location, and I'm going to do some night fishing tonight, so link up with a couple of friends. Unfortunately, I lose a lot of my baits because I did leave my bait bubble at home, but my brethren did come link up with me and him bring fame one, so by the time I get to him, and to get the bait bubbler. May lose quite a number of bait them, but hopefully I can still get some nice runs tonight. I probably I go just do some slab bait and probably I go try use some plug bait as well. But make we see, lighting is not great because I don't have a light on this camera. But hopefully we can get some good run tonight and we can get some good footage. But stay tuned. Alright, first cast of the night. Stingray, guys. Sue just got a stingray. Not so big, but still catch same way, still landed. So yeah, whole heap of action tonight, guys. Whoa! All right.
I hope it's not a stingray.
No, man. Well, him not lay down, that I think. He not lay down.
I want big pull get on my own while ago.
Yes, my rod just dropped, man.
Yeah, so
I run my rod down the rod. You know?
like that.
Yeah, man. It feel like something nice.
Yeah, man, that's something nice.
But let's see.
Yeah, what you
My leader light, you know, is a light leader me I use, you know.
Yeah.
So I have to kind of nurse him in. My drag is so light.
Oh, you want a bigger?
No. Cause me set up the line here as a little dropper rig.
Oh.
What is this?
Ah, you see me I tell you the big rod now?
Yeah, I have one here, I didn't bring it. There's a net in my car. There's a net.
But I hook thing with that tell her to go for.
Oh, the gaff, you have one?
Yes, that's not the big rod my van already.
Alright, it's not tired as yet. It's not tired as yet.
Are you did have me hook in the van already, you know? You forgot?
Alright, this one is not tired. Can't tighten the drag too much on him because I have on a really light leader. So I have to kind of nurse him in. But
Don't worry, Sue.
Alright, yeah. We'll go closer with the next week.
alright, fish on, big fish. You know, come up here, you know.
Yeah, look back.
No, I'm just looking to see where.
In the close though. Yeah, in the close.
Find the light this side, so.
In the close. He's still not tired. See it down there, so?
Right here.
You see the bead? You see the bead?
Oh, I that.
Right
Yeah,
there,
see the
right
bead?
there.
In the close.
Yeah, we see it.
Look in the light, yeah. Right there. I won't move it. I want to move
Head shake, big head shake, big head shake. Wouldn't mind, you know.
Let up your pompano. Let up your pompano, Jack.
It might be a Trevally.
Yeah, you want to get a little closer with the net?
No, I know you got it.
You don't have no gaff.
No, we don't have the gap. It's not.
Extend the net, extend the angle on it.
Yeah.
Big head shake, I'm gonna try to spit the hook.
You serious?
Yeah,
Oh my god. Try and do
big head shake, big head shake.
that.
He not tired yet. He not tired yet.
Still running.
Yeah, he's still a run. He might go back across to the right.
Yeah, but he's not far, you know.
No, in the probably over which part I wave them there.
No, man, to the beat here. He's somewhere right there. See him lying here, so no.
Him there somewhere in the middle right also. Him not done yet. He not done yet. No, he swim back across. He come back across. I tell you, say, I come back across.
You have it. You have it. I didn't realize. Because we never take it out, that's why. Where the hell is this fish?
He not come up yet, man. He not tired yet. The line block. The braid block. So you're not going to really see it. See him there? Where is still? You see it? Big head shake. Big head shake. He still has to try to spit the hook. Yeah. See him come across. Ah.
Yeah, it's fine nice, you know.
That I think. So I can't even tighten the drag no more upon him because I don't want him cut me leader. See him there no, see him there no. See him there no. No, he not there nowhere close yet. He not there nowhere close yet. See him there? You see him? You see him? See him there? See him there? See him there? You see him?
No, up with the light.
Up with the light, up with the light. Yeah, man. Tarpon, you know.
A tarpon.
Yeah?
But he not jump, he not jump.
Give me the light, Leon. And you
Hold on.
take what you want to
Hold
take.
on.
Give me the light. And
Go with him, go with him down with him. If he come,
No, me don't want to come up no more.
Oh, the stone.
no, if I come to the school.
Alright. Tell you what. Go with the gaff. Go with the gaff. He not tired yet, you know. He not tired yet. Use the gaff, man. Use the gaff. No, he gone back cross. See him right also. Is that Jack?
Let me get down here.
Hold on. Don't touch the line. Don't touch the line.
Oh my God. See him there. Where could I use the net, you know?
Use the net, man. You can't use the net, you know. Use the net.
Don't drop.
Yeah. Landed.
Your gas. You left the gas.
Alright, let me get it. Hold this. Ah. Whoa.
Hey!
Good teamwork.
It's not easy, you know.
Go for the other GoPro. Turn on the other GoPro.
Turn on the other GoPro, he say.
It's.
Oh my God.
Woo.
Is your igloo big enough?
I didn't even bring it.
Watch out! You might have to just rest him in my igloo until you're ready then.
Alright, guys.
Go ahead.
Massive jack. Good 15, about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes run. Really have on a really light leader, so I couldn't fight him no harder than that. But very, very good size jack. Just buy, yes. A cheapest buy.
Allure?
No, sir. Slap bait me use. Yes guys, that's it for the night. You know, you only got one Jack Crevalle tonight, but so you go, sometimes I get them, sometimes I don't get any, but still glad for you one of me get. It was a nice fight. We both pack up and head home now, so until see you again. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing and supporting Hartman Adventures. And remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Hartman Adventures out.